Storyline Online might be my new favorite website. It is a website that takes popular children's book and has famous people read them aloud. Often the people reading these books are extremely engaging, and it's a fun alternative to the typical classroom read-alouds. This is geared towards primary teachers, as most of these books are ones that I'd say K through 2 students would like. I'm sharing this with primary teachers in hopes that it will give them just another tool to share these books with their students. Sometimes it's fun to hear it different ways. I will click on one and show you an example. So here is a popular book, Clark the Shark. You can click on this and push play, and you will hear the book being read to students. I'll
Hey
let
everybody,
you
welcome
listen
to
for a couple
Storyline
minutes
Online, brought to you by the
or
Sam
seconds.
Catholic Foundation. My name is Chris Pine, and today we are reading the wonderful book, Clark the Shark.
You can also pause the story throughout and talk as you are letting students listen to the book. There's also a feature that shows you activity guides, so I could go to activity guides for teachers. And this is a PDF that you can print out, and it gives you many different things to do with the book when you are reading it aloud or listening to it. It includes different Common Core standards, which I think will be great. There's also a link where you could easily buy the book if it's something your students love, and then there's a link to share the recording. So maybe it's something that you want to assign and students can listen to at home with their parents. Maybe it's something they're going to do during their reading groups. They're going to listen alone. I think this is going to be a tool that I use all of the time in the library next year. It frees up a few minutes for the teachers, which is also an amazing plus.